reaching the lower ground. Every year, when the second April is observed as Earth Day across the globe, and people and major stakeholders take part in civic activity and work towards raising awareness about critical issues that Earth is facing. Global warming, pollution, and deforestation are some of the problems routinely discussed since the major creative features over 1 billion people spent across 190 countries participate in Earth Day activities each year. This makes the day as the largest civic observance in the world. The theme this year is Restore Our Earth and its focus is on natural processes, emerging green technologies, and innovative thinking that can restore the world's ecosystem. And therefore, the theme also rejects the belief that only mitigation and adaptation are the ways to address climate change. Thank you.
Shoaib, you again forgot to turn off the tap. Just come out of the room. You again forgot to turn off the tap. You should not waste water like this.
But there is so much water in my house and I can waste water as per my choice.
No, you cannot. You will regret one day.
Just save it. There is no water in my house today and I have not taken bath also.
I told you that you will regret one day. There is a shortage of water in the whole society. And you didn't listen to me at that time. And you didn't save the water for your future.
Oh God, what I do? I am thirsty.
I will give you some water. But from now, you should not waste water.
Okay, I promise. So now I realize that I should not waste water. And I promise you that I will not waste the water.
So now, Shoaib, let's take an oath that from today, we will never waste water.
Good afternoon, friend. I shall class 8th A,
And I, Pratishna Dilla of class 8A.
and this was the small app for representing the importance of water.
So, just like Shoaib took an oath not to waste water, let us all take oath that we will never waste water.
So, this act is done on Earth Day to represent that the importance of water.
As Shoaib told, this act is done on Earth Day. Yes, this act is done on Earth Day to represent the importance of resources. Our nation is going through deadly pandemic. There is shortage of oxygen cylinders. Oxygen is too much important for us. So now everyone must realize that the natural resources are the utmost necessities of our country, and we should plant more and more trees and save water.
Didi, let's go outside to play now. This is the timing of playing.
No, Sangal. Firstly, we have to water these plants and then we'll move out to play.
Oh, Didi, you aren't listening my voice. I am saying you to go with me outside to play. So why are you not coming?
Because, Sangal, watering plant is our first priority. We have to give water to plants every day for their better growth.
Oh, Didi, these plants are nothing. This is such a waste of time.
No, Sankalp, you are wrong at this place. These plants are not a waste of time. This gives us many things.
This plant is only for beautifulness of home.
No, Sankalp, this plant gives us many things from which we are unaware.
Oh, Didi, so give me some advantages of these flowers and these plants.
Okay, so I'm going to tell us that in how many ways these plants are very important for our needs. So, don't you know what are autotrophs?
Yes, I know. The organism that can prepare its own food, that is known as autotrophs.
Yes, the organism which prepare their own food is called autotrophs. That is plants.
Plants.
Okay, so plants or green plants which makes their own food are autotrophs, and we the heterotrophs are dependent on to them for our survival. So the first advantage and the important advantage of plant is only that they gives us the food. Without plants we can't do nothing, because it also provides us with a most important gas for human beings to survive, that is oxygen. So now the next advantage is, can you see this plant? It is called as tulsi. So this tulsi is mythologically praised by Hindu religion, and this tulsi provides us with different medicine. This is used in the homeopathic category of medicinal science. So plants provide us with different things, or the things whom the human beings are unaware of, as like you. So we just need to save these plants and plant more and more trees on earth for the better future of tomorrow. So now I want to know that the things which I want to tell you is clear to you or not?
Yes, I am aware of this plant that they can help him or me in many ways.
Okay, so Sankalp plant and water these plants so that it will far more better for our future generation to enjoy the same level of environment in which we are enjoying. So take this mug and water this plant.
Okay.
Now go and bought more mugs for watering these plants.
Okay.
Well done, Sankalp. You have did a very good job by watering these plants.
Thank you, Didi.
Okay, so now I'm going to tell you the importance of term Earth Day.
Okay.
Earth Day is celebrated every year on 22nd April for telling us or commemorate this day onto our environment, as environment protection is our first priority.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you ready for your school?
Yes, I'm ready for my school.
Bhaiya, don't you think that people must off their ignitions of motorcycle in heavy traffic because it costs many lossage of natural resource like CNG?
No, sir, I don't think that. People are not supposed to turn off their ignitions every time. It will cause too many traffic on road.
No, Bhaiya, you are wrong here. It is a complete wastage of CNG. It takes about millions of years to form. We, the future generation of our country, must realize the importance of natural resources and come forward to restore the planet Earth.
Oh, sir, leave it. This discuss. It's just a waste. Oh, mother, our car is out of CNG. We need to refill it.
But Bhaiya, father was telling there is extreme shortage of CNG in nearby stations due to over exploitation.
Oh, no. How did uncle take me to aunt's house? It's far away.
That's why Bhaiya, I was telling that we must save our natural resources for us and for our future generation.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Utkarsh Singh of class 8th here.
And my name is Shasing of class 6th C.
It is our little effort to make people aware towards the natural resources like CNG.
Yes, and we must take a step to save it, not to waste it anyhow.
Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Shivansh Tiwari. So I am telling about that Earth Day is a time of COVID-19. It's more urgent than ever. This crisis made the 15th Earth Day a profound reminder that our mission is not only about the world but about all the people in it. So let's honor it by pledging to help everyone, especially those who have suffered the most. So let's start the pledge. I shall always strive to be worthy of using them. I shall plant more trees, keep myself and surroundings clean. I shall always use the products, take the environment friendly to my plant. I pledge my devotion in the saving this planet. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Thank you.